This is a quick intro to the MegaMaxx Minimalist Blue Roll Holder. So it comes flat packed, it's very easy to assemble. It comes with 4 components and the screws to screw these panels together. It's galvanized steel, so it's suited to industrial environments. You simply slot in the blue roll and it slots in there into place, nice and secure. So you can dispense it however you wish. Also has a handy top shelf. You put cleaning products. We like to hang this particular cleaner onto the sides. It's our own brand, non-excuse one. And hopefully it'll give you many years of wonderful service. You enjoy this fantastic compact little product. Thanks for watching.